Okay, let's have the example solution to example 29. This is about reactions of arches. Compute all external support reactions of this structure, which is an arc, three-hinge arc. So considering the entire system, summation of moment about B clockwise as positive, let's call the reactions VA and V sub B at A and B, and the original reactions HA and H sub B respectively. So we have HA times 3, this distance is 3, plus VA times 27, and minus 225 times 21, and horizontal component of 270 times 1 over square root of 10 times 7.5, 3 plus 4.5. The vertical component is 270 times 3 over square root of 10. The moment arm is 9. Then the horizontal component of 360 minus 360 times 3 over 5 times 4.5 overs. Then minus 360 vertical component times 4 over 5 times 3 equals 0. So simplifying, 3HA plus 27V sub A is equal to 9506.66 kilonewton. So let's call that kilonewton meter. Let's call that equation 1. Then considering only portion is A up to the hinge, so imagine that we isolate this as a free body diagram. Then summation moment about the hinge equals 0, clockwise as positive. So this is counterclockwise, so negative HA times 6 plus B sub A times 12, then minus 225 times 6 equals 0. Simplifying, simplifying HA equals 2 VA minus 225, substitute in equation 1. So 3 times quantity 2 VA minus 225 plus 27 VA equals 9506.66. Solving for VA is 308.5 kilonewtons upward. Then HA is 2 times 308.5 minus 225. So HA is equal to 392.0 kilonewtons. So since all the values are positive, the assumed directions of these reactions are correct. Next, summation of moment about A, consider the entire system, counterclockwise as positive, equals 0. So we have negative VA times 27 minus HB times 3, and minus 225 times 6, then horizontal component of 270 times 1 over square root of 10. So it is counterclockwise, so that's why it's positive, times 4.5, 6 minus 1.5 is 4.5, then minus 270, the vertical component, times 3 over square root of 10, the moment arm is 18, then the horizontal component here is 360 times 3 over 5, then the distance is 1.5, it's counterclockwise, so that's why it's plus. The vertical component is clockwise, so minus 360 times 4 over 5 times 24, then equals 0. So simplifying, 27 V sub B minus 3 HB equals 12,164.38. Call that equation 2. Then considering only the portion H to the hinge to B, summation moment about the hinge equals 0. Counterclockwise positive, so V sub A times 15 minus HB times 9. Then horizontal component is 270 times 1 over square root of 10. This is clockwise, so minus times 1.5. Vertical component is minus also, 270 times 3 over square root of 10 times 6. Then horizontal component is of 360 is minus 360 times 3 over 5 times 4.5. Then minus 360 times 4 over 5 for the vertical component times 12, this distance here. then equals 0. Simplifying, so 15 vis-a-vis minus 9 HB equals 60,092.94. So HB is equal to 15 over 9 is 5 thirds vis-a-vis and minus 676.99. Substitute into equation 2, 27 vis-a-vis minus 3 times 5 thirds vis-a-vis minus 676.99 close equals 12,164.38. So solving for vis-a-vis 460.6 kilonewtons upward, and HB substitute here is 5 thirds of 460.6 minus 676.99. So HB is 90.68 kilonewtons. So that's it for the solution of this problem.